Today's topic for discussion is rodenticides. Even the farmers use rodenticides for the management of rodents which are harmful for the crop. Let us see the details of the rodenticides. Rodenticides are the chemicals which are toxic to pest rodents. These are also toxic to mammals such as rabbit and other snake, etc. During the use, these chemicals are mixed with food grains such as groundnut seeds, wheat, jawar or other food grains and kept at the place where rodents arrive. Most of the rodenticides are used to kill rat and house mice. These chemicals are poisonous, hence should be kept far away from children, domestic animals and wildlife. The rodenticides are sold in market by different trade names, and small quantities of rodenticides are highly poisonous to the consumer that causes death due to the internal bleeding. The example of anticoagulant rodenticides are bromodiolone, warfarin, chlorpheniramine, diphenoxylone, pindone, etc. These are the different anticoagulant rodenticides. The rodenticides that do not belong to anticoagulant are zinc phosphate, bromethylene, etc. The rodenticides are extremely poisonous to human beings, so that rodenticides can be purchased and used only by trained, certified or licensed pest control operators. The rodenticides must be used in accordance with the label directions and may be prohibited where they may be harmful to certain endangered species. Zinc phosphate, it is a rodenticide and it is a heavy, finely ground, crystalline gray to black colored powder that is practically insoluble in water and alcohol. It was first synthesized in 1740 and was first used as rodenticide in 1911 by Italians. It was used in Europe during Second World War. Zinc phosphate was popular as rodenticide because the rats tended to die in open areas, which was psychologically rewarding to animal control. The popularity of zinc phosphate decreased during the late 1940s and early 1950s. Currently, zinc phosphate is recognized as the slowest action of the commonly used acute rodenticides. Zinc phosphate is often recommended as the rodenticide of choice because it is fairly specific for rodents and there is no true secondary poisoning except possibly in dogs and cats. Most of the animals that lead on rodents are unaffected because the zinc phosphate does not accumulate in the rodent muscles or other tissues. Experimentally, several predators and scavengers have been exposed on the secondary nature, but only cats and dogs have been affected. There is report of its poisoning to all domestic animals. Let us see use of the zinc phosphate. In our country, various types of beds have been treated with zinc phosphate. These beds include fruits, vegetables, malt and seed grains, cereals and bread, etc. Site of action of rodenticide is that Poisoning occurs by rapid absorption of phosphine gas PH3 into the bloodstream. When the zinc phosphide comes into contact with the dilute acid in the stomach, this results in damage to the blood vessels and erythrocyte membranes and even the cardiovascular system collapse and irritation of the alimentary tract takes place. Toxicosis is usually evident in 15 minutes to 4 hours. That depends on the quantity of the dose. There are no definite clinical signs for zinc phosphate toxicity. Clinical signs include nausea, anoxia, loss of appetite, vomiting, often containing blood, abnormal pain, diarrhea, and loss of muscular coordination, chest tightening, dyspepsia, salivation. Several abnormal clinical signs are there. In fatal cases, there is liver, kidney, the heart and brain damage takes place. Death is usually due to anoxia, decreased amount of oxygen in the organ and tissue. The accidental death of non-target species have occurred in home parts of the world. In several parts of the world, accidental death of non-target species have been observed because of the use of zinc phosphate. It is the rodenticide. This topic is from the syllabus of BSc third year. Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar Marathwada University, Aurangabad.